In the soft morning light, Miha lies still, her pale face revealing her struggle with a fever. Mohammed Hussein watches over his sister, his face etched with worry as he tends to her with gentle care. His touch is tender as he places a cool, wet cloth on her forehead, hoping to ease her suffering. Aapi, please get well soon, okay? Then we can play together again, Mohammed Hussein says. In the quiet kitchen, Hussein tiptoes in, a small, determined figure ready to surprise his sister. Perched atop a small stool, he meticulously prepares tea with milk and sugar, his small hands managing the task. A minor spill doesn't diminish his pride as he glances at the small puddle. His smile radiates pure achievement. With shining eyes, Hussein proudly announces, "I made tea for Aapi." Hussein enters the bedroom, the scent of tea filling the air. He approaches Mirha, her eyes betraying a storm of emotions. Mirha sits on the bed, her eyes red and swollen with tears. He extends the tea to her, an offering of warmth and comfort. Mirha's voice trembles as she speaks, her words laced with pride and affection. "My little brother has become so big." Hussein smiles gently, his eyes reflecting a deep connection with Mirha.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.